second largest bridge on the Western Hemisphere, next to the Golden State up in San Francisco. The bridge didn't take 10 years. It was an off and on project. The hardest part was putting it right in the middle. They kept missing it by almost 18 to 25 inches. And they were doing it during the monsoon season. This is the closest I could get you, folks, right here on the right-hand side, the mighty Colorado River. That's the face of the dam right there. We could take all that concrete, folks, and make a 2-lane highway stretch from Boston to LA. A lot of people do not know that. Yeah. Folks, when you're out on your tour, on your left-hand side, you see the American flag down there? Go ahead and rub those toes. Those toes down there are solid gold. Okay? Rub them. They're good luck. Now, if I see the guys from California running to me full speed, I already know what they did. Alright? I don't know you. Trust me, I'm going to change my shirt and everything, okay? Folks, I'm going to go ahead and get your tickets, so I need everyone to stay on the bus, please.